Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clean your pump filter on your washing machine. The pump filter on a washing machine is very important as it protects the pump and catches items such as coins, screws or plastic wrappers that you may have accidentally left in your laundry. You should regularly clean the pump filter, as if you don't, it could mean that the machine doesn't drain properly and gets blocked, and could even damage the internal parts of the machine. You should be cleaning your filter regularly. Once every 4 months is ideal. Now, for this video, I'm using an LG washing machine, but the process will be very similar for other makes and models. Let's get started. You can find the filter cover at the bottom corner of the front of your washing machine. Now start by opening this cover so you can access the filter. Now some washing machines, like this one, have an emergency drain hose connected to the pump inside. Now if your washing machine has one, you're going to want to release the water inside the hose. To avoid any unwanted spillages, first lay down a towel and get a container ready in front of the open cover. Now pull out the hose and carefully remove the cap. And hold it over the container and drain out any water. Now once you've done this, you can reinsert the hose cap and put it back into position on the machine. Now you can go ahead and remove the filter. Now grab hold of the circular filter cap, turn it until it comes free and then pull it out. Remember, if your washing machine doesn't have a hose like this, you will need to have a container ready beneath the filter here to catch any excess water. However, some water will likely leak out of the filter housing, even if your machine does have a hose that you've already emptied. This is why it's handy to still have a towel laid down to soak up any of the spillages. Next, empty the filter of any debris and give it a clean. Now you can clean the filter by simply rinsing it under a cold tap and scrubbing it with a cloth. Once the filter has been cleaned, dry it thoroughly with a hand towel. If you find that your filter is damaged, however, it will need to be replaced. We'll include a link to washing machine filters in the description below so you can get your hands on one for yourself. Now that the filter has been cleaned, you should also check the impeller and housing area. Now make sure there's no debris or blockages hindering the impeller, and if you find any, remove them. Before refitting the clean filter, you're going to want to make sure the housing interior for the filter is properly cleaned too. So take a look inside and give the housing a clean with a damp, wrung out cloth. And now you can refit the filter by screwing it back into the housing. Once the filter has been refitted, put the hose back into place if your washing machine has one. Then finish off by drying the area surrounding the filter with a towel and closing the filter cover. So there we have it, how to clean the drain pump filter on your washing machine. Hopefully your machine is up and running again. However, if you still have drainage or blockage issues on your machine, do not worry. Check out our video here on how to diagnose and fix blockage issues on your washing machine for further assistance. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for further repair guides, maintenance, advice, and plenty of other helpful tips. Thanks for watching.